Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CAD Tutorials for Beginners. Today we will start with a simple 3D model. So just to preview the 3D modeling in Autodesk Inventor. So just first start with a 2D sketch here. Once again I will create a sketch on the top view, the top plane. So just create one circle here. I will put a dimension. I will put one random dimension. Let's say 20 mm, and then finish the sketch, finish 2D sketch, or you can just finish the sketch here. Then go to the 3D model, and then I will click on the extrude. So I will extrude this sketch, so it will automatically select the sketch. Now I will put a extrusion length, let's say 30 mm, and then click OK. So you can use this mouse scroll button to zoom in and zoom out. If I want to edit this, just click the extrusion, or you can just click on this part as well, and then go to this will change the sketch, and then go to this edit extrude. So it will open the pop-up window for the extrusion. So you can select the op variable options available here. You can select extents, that is you can add a distance. We already given a distance here. You can add up to. So if the plane is available here or some face available here, you can select the two, and then between, just I will keep this distance as it is right now. Then you can select this option. It will create a mirror extent, symmetric or symmetric. Then you can add a value there, only in one direction, so you can provide this parameters available here. If you want to change the sketch, you can just expand this, and you can select the sketch, go to edit sketch. You can have this, let's say 35 mm. It will be modified. As Autodesk Inventor is a parametric software, it will modify the extrude as well. So in this way we can start with a 3D model in Autodesk Inventor. So this is just to preview you the Autodesk Inventor 3D modeling. In next lectures we will start learning all these tools available in the Inventor. Sketcher in the 3D tools will learn. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.